Alrighty, on three. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Close enough. There's something about watching Sonia sway in a hammock while a bamboo pole knocks coconuts loose from a tall tree that reminds me how different life feels now. Not rushed, not scheduled down to the minute, just simple rhythms, wind moving, boys laughing, a thud when the coconut hits the ground. Today we celebrate Mahrez turning 4. We aren't ordering a fancy cake, we're making one together. Flour on the counter, little fingers in the frosting, and ice cream after, just because 4 feels big. Later, jerk chicken on the grill and boys splashing at the river, loud and free the way kids should be. I used to measure life in hours worked. Now I measure it in moments like this. Hammock swings, coconuts falling, river water running past small feet. Simple doesn't mean small, it means full. And we're learning to enjoy the journey. Good morning, gentlemen. This is a very, very important conversation. Are you ready? There's 2 of you. Yes? How many are there?
2.
2. How many donuts do you see?
2.
2. What do you suppose the problem's going to be?
Share one.
How many are you?
2.
How many donuts are there?
2.
So what's the problem?
Each will take one.
So what's the problem?
You have to pick one that and one that.
How do we decide who gets chocolate drizzle and who gets sprinkles?
I want this pick. This being one, but this.
Have we reached a conclusion? Hmm?
I want these sprinkles.
You both want the sprinkles. That's a problem.
Oh, what is this?
We got a bigger problem. You guys can't decide on donuts. I only got half a donut. I'll be more than happy to eat more if you guys can't come to a conclusion. Nobody's cutting babies in half today, but donuts? It might happen. Hold on. What do we got, gentlemen? You're going to forfeit the sprinkles. Why?
Can you say one?
But you said you wanted it.
So I'll take chocolate one and give.
Why? Hmm? Why are you giving up what you want so Junior can have what he wants?
Can you say I want this one to give? And then we take that one.
But then you don't get any sprinkles. Junior, why is he giving up sprinkles and you get sprinkles?
Maybe take that one. Take his sprinkles.
Well, why does Josh get the sprinkles?
You say I want to force.
I've got a crazy idea, right? Ready? Listen to this. What if there was a way you both could have sprinkles?
No, we'll take that one then. We'll take that one then.
Is there a way you both could get sprinkles?
Okay. Cookie.
You're right. So why not do that?
Got half of this and got half of that.
Yeah. So you both could get half a sprinkle and half a chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Who knows how to cut in half? Okay, listen carefully. You're going to cut them both in half. Josh gets to choose the pieces. So you have a need to cut them in half correctly, because Josh is going to get to choose the first piece. Careful.
See that off.
Okay. No, Josh. You choose the first piece. Choose wisely. Take it up. It's yours. Oh, interesting. Okay. Junior. Oh. Nice. Okay, my turn. I was joking. Josh, pick again. Okay. Now, did you get sprinkles?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get sprinkles? Does everybody win?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Now, why are we eating in the kitchen?
We
Bye.
got full donut, but guess what?
Yes, and everybody gets sprinkles.
Thank you for the donut.
Anna, thank you. Wow, you're welcome, Josh.
Yes. You're welcome.
Yeah, Junior, you could learn something from him. Donuts.
Yes! Well done! Oh! Yeah.
Morning. You're good? Doing some Saturday morning sweep therapy.
Somebody gonna do it, right?
Amen, sister.
Somebody not getting out of the
Uh-huh. Oh, I see puppy hiding. Somebody, see? Puppy's, he's offering to help.
Oh,
Who?
the puppy?
Uh-huh.
I mean, he offering to mess up.
Well, at least he's trying. Look at that face. You can't stay mad at that face. Right? Tell her. Okay.
So it goes.
Can I help you? I'm trying to get the shot, man. Can I help you? Okay, missed you too, bro. Okay, don't act like you didn't sleep inside. Yeah, you're still doing that thing. Mm-hmm. So yesterday we were enjoying some hammock time in the afternoon, getting Sonia introduced to what hammock time's all about, and Junior decided to put on a little bit of a performance. You know, Junior, always looking for that attention. Normally in all the wrong ways, but in this case, it was pretty amusing. So grab your coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy the Junior show for the next couple minutes, because it's Junior.
Sing good on a money will run. Or sing.
Ready?
Nah,
But I mean, I go on no wobia man.
Nah, go on, no, hope ya man.
Me nah go on no wobia man.
Nah, go on, no, hope ya man.
So me walk me no boy never do no easy.
Me like to walk me no easy. Yeah, that's not
Me nah go on there. Me say me nah go on there.
Come here, this
Me nah go on there.
me nah.
Ready? Better days are coming.
Aye.
By and by.
Oh, when we reach our city,
In the sky, so sorrow will be over. But I don't
come at last.
Better days are coming. By and by. Ready? Some sweet days.
Hey,
I'm
I'm
going
going
away.
away.
No one
I'm
in
in
this
this bird. No more to go. Hey, hey.
some
Sweet days when life is over.
Ready?
Some sweet days.
Now I'm ready.
Ready, bang, bang.
Ready?
Ready, bang,
We have to sing that song already. Ready?
bang, bang.
Hands up about the one escalate.
I know you see don't they.
Hands up about the one escalate.
I know you see don't they.
Hands up about the one escalate.
I know you see don't they.
My know you see don't they. I know you see don't they. I know you see don't they. I know you see don't they. Hands up about the one escalate.
I know you see don't they.
Hands up about the one escalate.
I know you see don't they.
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 I know you.
Only better still.
Go there, Lord.
Let's go. Up to that. Go on up. Up to that. Because up. Bump to the. Ready? No.
Alright, my perfect coffee shelf. Alright, listen, ladies. I can see why we're not gonna use the little water no more, okay? You guys you're too big now. Man. Alright, big waters only. Alright, good talk. It's always a fun, humbling morning when you realize that whole idea of getting the next round of chicks, because these guys were going to be 3 weeks on Monday, getting a little ahead of ourselves. Yeah, these ginormous ladies are only going to be 2 weeks on Monday, and so we will wait to get the next round of chicks till a week from Monday, because that'll be 3 weeks. Even though they're ginormous, I don't know, where does the time go? You can see comparison based on the incubator, and I don't know why they're ready fast. Yeah, you guys are ginormous. Except for you, Runty, the little one, with your new friends. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Happy Saturday, guys. All right, Josh. You gotta try to find the incubator chick. Was it that easy?
Yeah.
Which one? Connie? Man. Yeah, it's like not even half the size, man. But good news is, we lost one the other day. We had one death in the family. Apparently, according to research, like 2 to 5% of your flock sometimes don't make it for a variety of reasons. But we're holding strong, and once we get past the 10-day mark, we're supposed to be kind of in the clear. So they're getting the feathers. Kind of exciting. I know, right? What? Yeah, so when I came here this morning, they were pretty much huddled under the lamp. I only have it sit on the halfway setting, so it's not as hot as it can be, but it's not super cold out either. So they're, somewhere under the house, somewhere under the lamp, and then maybe about the next hour or two, we'll turn off the lamp altogether for the day. Well, he's taking his own fight. What do you want to do today? I love doing I don't know. That's the most funnest thing ever to do. All right, pop quiz, sir. Sonia just planted that a couple days ago. Looking pretty healthy. Dave even put some chicken fertilizer from the coop in around it to support it. What is it?
Pear.
Good, Josh. It is a pear tree. In like 5 years, it might actually have a pear. Nice. Let's go check the chickens. I'm sorry. Oh, you're right. Sorry. Who let the puppy in? Oh boy. Mahrez is here. Party's about to start. Oh, it was his birthday yesterday, and we're gonna party today with him. I gotta go get the puppy. Brownie. Mahrez. What's up, 4-year-old?
Money.
You got money? Where's your money? Oh, yeah? What are you doing with money? Huh? Yeah? So, do you really feel like a 4-year-old? Oh. Yo! Why? Yes, let's go blow your nose. Wee boy. And then you didn't drop? Wow. Okay. I see. Good luck, gentlemen. Good luck, gentlemen. Oh boy. Puppy. I know. Okay. Okay, Josh has been practicing. Ooh.
I do now.
Oh, exactly.
I do it that time.
Exactly.
Look at him.
Wow.
I do that big duck swim.
Okay. What you doing today?
Never right. A.M.
A.M.?
And then
A whole lot other. Okay.
And S and
Okay, we'll keep working on it. That's get right in, bro.
R.
And R. Yo.
And
Sorry, bro, I got distracted.
and T.
Josh found the last of the mac and cheese and
Did.
corned beef.
And then
You gonna be okay, Josh? No, Junior, there's some left if you hurry. Josh's favorite. Now you know. Right? Hey, okay. Wow.
Yeah, Mom.
What? You don't want what?
Watch it.
I'm getting dead.
Yo.
Watch.
What don't you want Granddad to do? Mahrez. What don't you want Granddad to do? No, what don't you want Granddad to do? Yeah, you don't want me to cuss you though. Yeah? And you don't want me to what? Yeah, I don't want you breaking it either. So what happens if you break it?
Don't kick me.
Wow. Metaphorically speaking. You missed the part where he said Granddad was going to cuss if you broke my cup. Yeah. We don't promote violence in this house, sir. Unless they really mean it. Andre. Good morning. We're going to Highgate soon to go... Oh, you know? Did she? What'd she tell you?
She said,
Yeah, she said you should wash your face before we go. I think she did. She didn't? Can I tell you that then? Hey, Andre. Face first. Andre. Face first. Face first. Junior. Junior will stay off it until you get back. Don't worry.
stay off it.
Yes, and he'll keep his fingers out of his mouth too. Right, Junior?
Boy. You know, so if you keep on turn, I say I'll drop it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We're going soon. All right. So, look here. Hello. Hi. Nice. You're gonna wear the cam today, all right? We're gonna try a new feature, interval recording. Mars is gonna hold on. We're not ready yet, bro. Mars is gonna. You're gonna get the world according to a 4-year-old's birthday eyes. So, with great cameras come great responsibility, sir. You gonna match up my camera?
No.
You're sure?
No.
All right. Ready for take it for a test run? All right. Here we go. All right.
So you follow?
You're in.
No. No.
All right. Take it for a little spin. Take it around the house. Go show Nana.
Tonya. Yeah.
Hey, how are you? Yeah, look good though.
All right. You ready? Here. Oh, look, the puppy's in the house. Let me get one more little adjustment. Okay. Are we good? All right.
Ready?
I think we're ready. Yeah. Let's go.
Yo. Look at my coat.
Mars, we're getting ready to go, bro. So I don't know if I hit the right settings for the camera. We'll find out if I didn't. Oh well. Get the puppy. Get the puppy so we don't have any problems. If it doesn't work, we'll try it again later, but for right now it's set at to run for 15 seconds every 4 minutes. But Junior, go grab the 3 empty jugs of water. I'll meet you guys around the front. Josh, can you translate what I just said? Grab the 3 empty jugs of water, meet me around the front, lock this up. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but hopefully it said turn it off and it should work. If it doesn't, oh well. Oh, if you don't succeed, you try again. Speaking of trying again, we are headed to go find Mahrez birthday cake that he's gonna help make today. Cause why not? Cause why not? Josh has got to go home today, so we might get some river time over by his house, and we're gonna figure it out. Right? I'll take that as a yes.
Ada mete como a medida bacana aqui ó.
Just don't touch
So we follow?
All right, seatbelts please and thank yous. We got one important question.
Yeah, mine.
Mahrez, we have one important question. What kind of cake are we looking for? The Minano cake.
Alright.
That sounds pretty sweet to me.
And also make it when Marisa.
When you get there, the cake will speak to you. What's it gonna say? Okay, we'll figure it out when we get there. Yeah. Wait, what number do we need, man? What number do we need?
I'm in 4.
4?
Yeah.
There's only 1 4 left, man.
Yeah, I'm in
Wow, don't lose it. There's only 1.
I'm in need. I'm in need. We can get that food in my birthday. I'm
Of course.
3.
What? You don't need 3, bro. You're 4.
This.
Yeah, that's a 4. Okay, good. One of these too. You can decorate the cake.
Yes, please.
What are we gonna do with big old pink things? Andre, why are you taking all this stuff?
Andre, why you take up the people's things?
Yes, chill. Cool. Okay. Let's go find. Look, there's some other plates underneath. Keep looking. Princess, cars. Ooh, happy birthday. More cars.
Yeah, one.
Okay, let's get that one. All right. Yes. All right, in today's episode of Birthdays on a Budget, we have, what is this? Birthday hats. 100 Jamaican dollars. On number 4, the last one, meant to be 150 Jamaican dollars. Plates, 130 Jamaican dollars. Fancy forks, 200 Jamaican dollars. Yo, there's only 6 forks in here, guys. Fancy cake decorations, $220. Free bag. Cool.
And floss sticks.
That's not part of it. Yeah, floss sticks are for the party too, I guess. All right. Tough choice, sir. Tough choice. We got
Chocolate.
funfetti. It's got little colorful things in it.
White.
We got white, more chocolate. Chocolate and chocolate.
Don't even like.
That's the one. Funfetti. All right. Now, which frosting you want to put on it? You want the one with rainbows in it? Do you want just the regular one?
I want the rainbow one.
The rainbow one?
Yeah.
All right. Grab the rainbow one. All right. I think we got it, bro. Anything else?
Yeah.
What else?
Oh
Oh boy, we'll keep looking.
No.
All right.
Thank you. Yo, Maya.
All right, cakes and essentials all set to go, and Sonia got a large. What is that for?
You know, so I put meat on something. I use it out meat on it or whatever.
Cane vinegar.
Yep.
I didn't even know it was a thing. All right, belts. Let's go, belts, so we can get out of here. We gotta go home and make a cake.
What's that? This Come fix it. They're going.
All right, turns out the camera worked. We got interval shots, Mahrez's perspective of the trip that we just went on. You're welcome. Go for it. Hey, take the spoon, man. What do you think? Okay. Can you eat? All right. Cupcake.
Come on.
All right, listen. Are you listening? Let me show me your listening face. That's your listening face? Nice. Anyway, we gotta beat this.
I'm gonna listen first. And that I'm gonna listen first. And that's my listen first.
Okay, well, we gotta beat this cake mix for 2 minutes. Got it?
Yeah.
Josh, you got it? 2 minutes. You ready?
Yeah.
We're not ready. No, we're gonna beat it up. Are you ready for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Enjoy. All right, show me 12 o'clock.
Junior, McCarthy.
Not do that right.
Help him, Josh. Yeah, exactly.
Stop me up at the 2:12 then.
All right, show me 3:30.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show me iPad time. Junior got it. Wow. Gentlemen, let me teach you a valuable lesson. Anyway, yeah, when you get rainbow chip frosting and you see those little rainbow chips, chances are, if you get them in Jamaica, they're going to be melted. Yeah, they're going to be melted. So your rainbow cake is, it's going to be art. But you'll still get the... Really? One little bit.
Yeah, well, look at it. I'm not seeing it.
It's on the lid. You want it or not? Okay. Okay. Yay, sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's rainbow cake. Kind of. And yeah, you get it. All right, sir.
That's where I sit now.
Try it. See the piece, sir. It's hot, bro. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna test the cake. Make sure it's okay.
Come here. Ready?
Come on, try it.
Yes, no. Wait.
Try it. Cake's gonna be okay? Ooh. Cool.
Good.
Samples are good. All right, welcome to the soothing sounds and smells of Saturday in Jamaica. Yeah, grill's warming up. It's getting there. Needs to be clean, but tomorrow, right? Gonna jerk some chicken. Gonna enjoy the cool breeze. Some palm trees, coconut trees, some puppies. Something else that ends with E's. Oh, I know. I even brought the keys. It's getting pretty bad, yeah. Saturday in the hills of Jamaica with some jerk chicken, some 4-year-old birthday cake. Custom, of course. Let's say it's going to be all right. Can do this.
Yeah.
Set.
Go.
Go.
I got it again.
That was it. Ready. Ready? Set. Go.
Mark.
Oh.
Say, I'm gonna me a good on say Mark let go.
Mark said go. Okay.
Say it again.
Mark. Set. Go. Nice.
Are you 3? Are you 4? Yay! I want to say happy birthday to you.
Come on.
Yay!
Keep going.
Come on, right.
There's more. Blue. Alrighty, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Close enough. Junior, you know what they say. What do they say? All good times must come to an end.
Yeah.
It's time for the Josh to head home. Back to his world. Know what they say, Josh? Do you know what they say? Junior knows what they say. What do they say, Junior?
It's time to get back to Joshua.
No, dude. That's not what they said. All good times must come to an end. We're gonna go. Alright. Get what you get. Don't throw a fit. You don't get out, you don't get. That is it. Me too there. Oh, you see?
A peanut drops.
Oh boy. Ice cream.
Coffee run, Tyler.
Well, you can't have a birthday cake and ice cream without a little river time, I guess, too. So we're a little later than we thought it would. That shade's I'm not gonna call it chilly, but it's after 3. Pocky. Right.
Not already. For some people tree.
Exactly.
Mom, para police na nag-flashy. We found it's on the cave again.
One day, yeah.
I think about me did see. I will see no bat.
You didn't see any bat?
No?
Oh. You sure?
Yes.
Oh.
Me never see no bat idea one.
Oh.
I run here, can man.
So we should go back.
Yeah.
Or we should go bat. You see what I did there?
We will go back.
Go bat?
Yeah, back.
Bat.
Back.
Back for the bat?
No.
What? Huh?
Let me have it.
Okay. Alright, sir. This is it. Until next time.
Bye.
Just see her. Sorry, see her on here, Josh.
Bye.
Someone's here?
Yeah. Boy.
Yes.
Just say bye, everybody. Just say everyone bye.
Sonia.
Bye.
Okay.
Boy, Josh.
See you next time.
Love you.
Yeah, bro. Now later.
Love you so much. Love you so much.
Love you more. Let's go, Sonny. It's one. Go for your soda,
What
no?
about the other one? What about the one I think bottle?
Oh boy. There you go. Almost. Almost. Boy, careful. Careful. Oh boy.
Thank you.
Remember, hello, when you come back, what do you have to do?
The 5 chores.
No, you need to wash what?
Wash underwear.
Yeah, great.
Can I pass my phone?
Great. Let us know you get there all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Behave yourself.
No harm.
Great. Can't wait. Just make sure it's before 3 a.m., unlike some people. Okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Later.
Later.
Make good choices. Love you.
Love you.
Love you, Mora. Love you mostest.
When is Makumba?
Tomorrow, Andre. Later. Junior's gone to his sisters. I'll see him tomorrow.
See you later, alligator. I'll see you later.
Where does the time go? Yeah, Mahrez is 4. Hope he's out of door. Well, he's searching for second dinner, and yeah, we had a good time. Cake, ice cream, quick little river trip. I enjoyed Josh being over and giving me a run for my money with the workout this morning. It was nice. Hopefully he'll be back sometime soon. And we did it. Yeah, gonna relax into the evening. Have a good one. I hope everybody is enjoying themselves as well. Can't really complain. This was a fun day. Happy birthday, Mahrez. And we'll see what happens in the next year. Probably gotta get some food. Early? Say goodnight. Close enough.